with a one leg.
Ví dụ như là bây giờ thầy đang cho ví dụ về bài tập mở hông nhá.
You can be 10 times, you can be 20
10 lần
times,
ấn đầu như thế kia.
so that you can be leg prepared.
Cái động tác này để chuẩn bị cho cái câu nói của chúng ta đấy.
You practice giving the practice both sides.
Chân và làm 10 lần.
Yeah. Later you can also add something. You can be let them hold.
Sau đấy thì có thể ấn gối xuống và giữ.
You can let them hold. Practice here. You can give the practice band the one
sau
leg.
đấy thì có thể quanh gối phía sau như kia.
Because if you talk about the hip, so in hip you have to be work on your groin joint. You have to work your hamstring. You have to work your inner thigh, your outer thigh.
Thì khi mà chúng ta nói về mở hông thì chúng ta phải chuẩn bị về khớp hàm này, về đùi trong, đùi ngoài, đùi dưới.
So different part of the legs, different part of the hip you have to be working.
Tất cả các cái phần của chân thì chúng ta đều phải warm up.
Yes. You can give the practice here, let them hold. You can give the practice, let them hold. Yeah. After you can give the practice in the butterfly, very common.
To open.
Yes. To just to let warm up your hip joints.
Để khởi động cái khớp hàm.
Pressing few times. Yeah. So these all are the movement. You can say these all are the preparatory exercise. You can say which you are combining.
Chuẩn bị để.
This is not a pose. This is just like a movement, or you can say this is something like an exercise. What is the pose? What is the asana? Yogasana?
Asana là gì? Yoga asana là gì thầy hỏi?
When we are holding the pose, when we are holding it, that we say the asana. So even in the, then I will come back again, the same practice. So these all practice, now I am giving you the first demonstration. This all practice, here, 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 here. So these all are the variations for the stretch. You are combining the, we say the half pigeon, you can be say. It can be, you can say the variation in the lotus, knee to ankle or ankle to knee aligned is a different thing. So this is also work on your hip flexibility, for your opening of your hip. Can be combined. Combined with the cow face, you can be combined. Bending forward, bit more intensive. Yeah. Side the leg, the variations here, here. Bending the down. So this all you can be include in your hip stretch. You are doing a bit more intensive. We practice already in the class. Right? We practice already in the class. Initially we did the preparatory practice. You can combine with the yoga pose also. Can be here. Can be here. Can be here. Same. Can be here. Can be here. I am not talking about the alignment. We will talk later on. I am showing the variations. Can be here. Can be here. Can be here. Change in the intensive. Can be here. Yeah. Same both side. Can be here. Can be here. Lying with the back completely. Can be. We talk about the lotus pose. You know. Very gentle. Đinh thuông. Bit intensive. More intensive. I don't have place. You may combine with a bit more with a lotus cobra.